Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we got a package in the mail. Let's take a look at it. You'll have to excuse my messy desk here, but we got a package from Realsee today, so we're going to see what's in it. First thing that I opened up out of the box was this. We have a tripod in here. Nice carrying case. Also in the package was an adapter. And in the box, this was opened. Not sure why. But it just screws on. So we have a Matterport, if I'm saying that right, ET1551T. Nice carbon fiber tripod. Here we have a nice backpack. Some padding, storage areas. There's a deeper storage pocket right here. Pretty neat. And we have the camera. Here you go, 3D smart camera. It's the RS42025. It says maximum scan range is 25 meters. Pretty neat. Let's open it up. Have that. And that. We have an instruction manual. This is the LiDAR protective cover, and this is the fisheye lens cover. Pretty neat. Warranty card. Here we have the camera. Pretty neat. power adapter, USB-C, the plug for the power adapter, and this is the battery. It is a 6400 milliamp hour battery. And that's all we got in the box. So if I take that off, the battery's just going to slide right in here. Clicks into place. There you have it. There's an on button right here. And then we have a micro SD card slot, the USB-C. It says charging, and then USB-A, it says data. So I was just sent this by Realsee. I don't even have an account yet, so I'm gonna have to get that set up. Have no idea how to use this, so I'm gonna read some instructions. This is just held on with a magnet, which is pretty cool. Protects the LiDAR. And then on the front, oh, I turned the power on. On the front, this is just held on with a magnet as well. Turn this off. Hold it down. Now we're off. There's two lights on here that are lit up, which I think may indicate the battery level. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the charger and see if these increase. And I'll read the instruction manual, and then we'll be back.